Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. In the cool hills of Mckinley Close, Mandeville, Manchester, you will find this beautiful 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom bungalow home. The land area of this house is 9,682 square feet or approximately 0.22 acres of land, which is enough yard space for an ensuite master bath with your own personal walk-in closet designed to perfection. This home awaits your personal touch. The house is approximately 7 minutes away from Mandeville Town Center, where all your favorite local restaurants and shopping centers are situated, such as KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Fontana, etc. Other features of this house include ceramic tile, 24-hour security, central location, easy access to amenities, family-oriented, private setting, quiet area, landscaped, seniors-oriented, and paved road. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $173,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.